For this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make pigeon peas, and I'm super excited because I grew up eating lots of pigeon peas and they were always delicious. So today I'll be showing you how to make coconut pigeon peas, which are going to turn out very delicious because of the coconut flavor and the spices also. Mine are looking so good, creamy, and I'm super ready to have mine with some rice. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of coriander and also some extra coconut milk. So grab yourself the ingredients in the description box and let's make this delicious creamy coconut pigeon peas or Mbaazi. If you've never tried out pigeon peas, you're missing out a lot because they are high in proteins and have lots of vitamins. Also, they have calcium, magnesium, potassium Also, they have lots of calcium, magnesium, potassium, and more minerals in them. So grab yourself some pigeon peas and try out this delicious and easy recipe. Start off by sorting your dried pigeon peas, and for this recipe, I'm going to be using half a kg. When the pigeon peas are clean, wash around 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. To boil my pigeon peas, I'm going to be using a pressure cooker. So I'm going to add in my clean pigeon peas, 2 cloves of garlic, which are going to add in a very nice aroma to the pigeon peas as they boil. Then I'm going to add in 3 cups of water, cover, and then I'm going to be boiling my pigeon peas for around 15 minutes. That is around 5 to 6 whistles. After 15 minutes, you're going to manually remove the pressure from your cooker by using a wooden spatula. And once all the air is released from the cooker, you're going to check if the pigeon peas are well cooked. Mine are well cooked because, as you can see, they are mushy. So you're going to place aside, and then it's time to cook your pigeon peas. You're going to place a pan over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, ready to cook your delicious coconut pigeon peas or coconut Mbaazi. Over here, I have 2 medium onions that I've chopped up. I'm going to be frying until the onions are golden brown and have a very nice aroma. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using very basic ingredients, which are going to find listed in the description box down below. The recipe is going to be simple and very easy to make. Once your onion starts to brown, you're going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger. That is around 4 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. Then you're going to cook together with the onions for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger has a very nice golden brown color, or until the raw flavor of garlic and ginger is gone. When everything is browned perfectly, just like this, you're going to add in your tomatoes. That is 3 blended tomatoes. Add in your spices, and for this recipe I'm going to be using paprika, black pepper, turmeric, and garam masala. Salt. Stir in the spices into the tomatoes, and then you're going to cook for around a minute until the tomatoes are well cooked. If you don't have a blender to blend your tomatoes, you can simply use a grater, a box grater, and grate your tomatoes into a puree. The kitchen is smelling so awesome from the garlic and ginger together with the spices, which are very aromatic. Garam masala is a combination of several spices, which makes garam masala. So it's a very nice spice to add into your food. When you notice oil separating from the tomatoes are ready. So you're going to add in your parboiled pigeon peas. stir in. And once the pigeon peas are fully combined with the tomatoes, you're going to add in 1 cup of water. Stir in the water into the stew, and then you're going to reduce the flames to medium-low and simmer for around 2 minutes so that the pigeon peas can absorb all those nice flavors from the spices, to the garlic and ginger. After 5 minutes of slowly cooking your pigeon peas, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt to perfect the seasoning. At this point, the kitchen is smelling so good. So I'm going to check my seasoning. So good. I love how the pigeon peas are looking at this point, and to add in some very nice coconut flavor, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of coconut milk, which is going to add in so much flavor. Stir in the coconut milk into the delicious pigeon peas, and wow, just look at that color. It's looking very creamy and delicious. So you're going to stir in using your spatula until the coconut milk is fully combined with the peas. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use coconut cream, which is a little bit on the heavy side. That is on the flavor. So you'll add in 1/2 cup of coconut cream if you're going to be using the cream. Reduce the flames to low, and then you're going to slowly simmer your pigeon peas for around 3 minutes so that it can soak in all that coconut flavor. Yes. Check on your coconut pigeon peas stew, and this is how it's looking at this point, and it's so creamy, well seasoned, and just perfect. So I'm going to be garnishing my pigeon peas with coriander. Then you're going to stir in the coriander and put out the flames. When done making your delicious coconut pigeon peas or mbaazi, you're going to serve over some rice, some mahamri, or some chapati, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy pigeon peas recipe, which you're going to absolutely love and enjoy.